Hi, in this video I will show app for converting how to use app for converting JSON files to a LaTeX table, and we will test it with overleaf. Let me show you what JSON file I have. So I can right click and open it with Notepad and Notepad Plus, and you can see it just a basic JSON file with the data in it, with array, and I have JSON viewer app that can show me JSON file as a table. It's a free app, just trying to interpret JSON file into, usually JSON file contains data, and it's trying to interpret JSON file into table. And you can see, and also I can export into different format. It's a free app, I will leave link on this app too. And basically I wanted this JSON file to be like this, but converted into LaTeX. So I will show how to use it with an app. So this is my website. I will link to the site into the description. To find the app, I click on search and type LaTeX. To go to LaTeX table page, then I will select Json to LaTeX and click on download button to start downloading process. And wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. Yep. Then open downloaded archive. Click on downloaded archive to open it. Double click on MSI inside archive and click more info on this screen. More info. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click on finish on final screen. And now you can see the app has been installed, Json to LaTeX table on my computer, and I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and close this. And probably close this. Now to launch app, I'll double click on shortcut. Then first, conversion is 3 steps process. In first step, we are selecting JSON file we want to convert. So I'll click on input files and navigate to my JSON. It's movie JSON. And then after I selected file, click next step. Here I will have list of all columns into table. See, there are only 3 columns. So I'll click select them all to select them all, and they all will be converted to LaTeX. Or I can specify like just title and year, and only 2 columns will be converted. Just select. Let's select 2 columns. Click on next step. Click on run on final, and it will ask where we want to save result text file. I'll just, and if I want to change name of the file, this name and location in my documents is okay, I'll just click save. And you can see file has been saved. Let's go to overleaf and upload the file. I'll click on upload. Select from my computer, navigate to Json to LaTeX. And file has been uploaded. I'll just click on it, click on recompile. And you can see table been uploaded. We just have to make some adjustment. Let's make title a little bit wider. So first, this is the title. Width is 5. Let's make it 10. And click recompile to make it look more presentable. We can even do 15. So Amazing Spider-Man will fit. Yep. Beautiful. So this is, we converted our JSON file we had into a nice table in LaTeX. Basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below.